Sue, leave Jojo alone. He will eat you. Oh, goodness. Sue. Oh, no. Sue, leave Jojo alone. You're crazy. Jojo will eat you. I'm probably getting that on film. Sue. Sue, don't do it. Don't. You're going to fall off the cage. Well, I guess you're going to fly. Sue. Look at Joe is just looking at it. Sue. I think we have the craziest animals. Oh my goodness, Sue, don't! Leave him. He's not like our dogs. He will eat you. Look at you. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're a bad bird. Oh goodness. Jojo's going to eat him. No wonder why Jojo's going to eat you. You're a bad bird. Look at you trying to fly in his mouth. Sue, leave him alone. Oh, you are so lucky. What are you doing? Not again. Do you want a spanking? Sue, you're getting way too close. He's gonna eat you. What are you gonna do? Sue? Look, oh my goodness. I'm not sure at what moment I'm gonna get up and stop this attitude of yours. Sue. Sue. Sue, Sue. No. No. Holy, you're bad. Sue, Joe's gonna eat you. Are you not scared? All right, I better stop this. Sue, get off him. Leave him alone. Sue. Jojo, don't. Sue. They're having a stare off. Sue. Honestly, bird. Sue's just like, I'll stare at you. You stare at me. I'll stare at you. I'm gonna get you. Jojo's gonna pounce. And then you're gonna be bird food. Yeah, I see you, Joe. Sue, leave him alone. Look at you. Oh, you're lucky. Oh, good.